Always believe that.
Kailangan din daw. Nagawapan ko, dito nakakapa.
Sising. Puro fit, no? Kasi klaro fit.
Okay, what part is more important than what you got? So, ibig sabihin, kakolor yung pastor. So, kung kita mga talon, dala ang ever
Video. Video, sino na? Sino na? Video.
Kung mag-change lang ka, may for the better. Because what is important is what you are. So, ang character, integrity, isip, ang pastor. So, if your integrity, kung butan man yun ka, wala ka na pabutan-butan, mo ba ang importante? Hindi importante na you graduate, what is important? Na ang mo yung character. So, someday you will be pastoring a church. So, maybe na ang mga tao ngayon